In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a page in WordPress, whether you're polishing some text, swapping an image, or making a quick update. This simple process will have your changes live in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident. First, from your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Find Pages, then choose All Pages. This is the place where every static page on your site is listed. Things like Home, About, Services, or Contact. If you don't immediately see the one you want, you can use the search bar at the top or sort by title to locate it faster. Remember, pages are different from posts. Posts are for blog entries, while pages are for the main sections of your site. Once you've found the page you want to work on, click its title to open it in the editor. Depending on your setup, you'll likely see the WordPress block editor, sometimes called Gutenberg. If you use a theme or a page builder, the editing screen might look a bit different, but the idea is the same. You're opening that page so you can make your changes. Now modify the content. Click directly on any text to edit it. You'll see a small toolbar appear with options like bold, italics, alignment, and links. Use headings to keep your page organized and scannable, and keep paragraphs short for better readability. To add new elements, like images, galleries, buttons, or columns, click the plus icon to insert a block, then choose the block you need. You can drag blocks to rearrange sections, duplicate them to reuse a layout, or use the sidebar on the right to adjust block-specific settings like spacing or color. If you're updating images, make sure to add alt text for accessibility and SEO. And if you're pasting content from another source, give it a quick formatting pass to keep things consistent with your site's style. When you're happy with your changes, click Update in the top right corner. If the page wasn't published yet, you may see Publish instead. WordPress will save your edits and push them live. If you don't immediately see the changes on the front end, don't worry. Browser or site caching can delay things briefly. A quick refresh often does the trick. And that's it. Go to Pages, open All Pages, click the page you want to edit, make your changes, and hit Update. With a bit of practice, you'll find that keeping your website current is fast, straightforward, and completely in your control.